They say money is all about math, but that's a half-truth. Money is emotion, ego, and survival wrapped in numbers. The rich don't play harder, they think differently. And that difference? It's all psychology. In 2020, Morgan Housel dropped The Psychology of Money, a book that sold over 8 million copies worldwide. It became a classic because it revealed something most people never see. Doing well with money isn't about what you know, it's about how you behave. The Psychology of Money, What You'll Learn, Core Takeaways. This book isn't a how-to-invest manual. It's a behavioral blueprint for how people actually think and act around money. 7 core principles. 1. Money is behavior, not IQ. Financial success has less to do with spreadsheets and more to do with habits, patience, discipline, and emotional control. 2. Wealth is what you don't see. Flashy spending signals insecurity, not success. Real wealth hides quietly in assets and savings. 3. Luck and risk are twins. Not every winner is a genius, and not every failure is dumb. Understanding probability keeps you humble and steady. 4. Compounding is magic. The secret is time. Small, consistent returns, both financial and behavioral, beat huge but unstable gains. 5. Freedom is the ultimate currency. The richest people aren't the ones with the biggest paychecks. They're the ones who control their time. 6. Reasonable beats rational. The market isn't logical, and neither are humans. It's better to be good enough consistently than perfect occasionally. 7. You don't need to win every trade. You just need to stay in the game. Longevity outperforms brilliance when it comes to investing, careers, and reputation. Average reading time, 5 to 6 hours for an average reader. 3 to 4 hours if you skim and focus on key stories. Length, approximately 256 pages. The audiobook is 5 hours, 48 minutes, narrated by Chris Hill. So if you dedicate 30 to 45 minutes a day, you'll finish it in 1 week, comfortably. ROI, why it's worth reading. It will reframe how you see success and failure. It'll make you emotionally resilient to money anxiety, fear of missing out, and market noise. And if you apply the lessons, it'll literally change your relationship with money, from chasing to mastering.
You like the color of money? Follow Synth Wealth Finance and lock in.